Republic Day. Today is 26th January. That is the day that honors the date on which Constitution of India came into effect. That is 26th January 1950. So today I thought, why not I provide you guys a list of books that can give you a basic idea about our country India. So I'm here with a list of 7 books that make you aware of Indian history, Indian polity, economy, art and culture, little bit. These are all non-fiction books. I know there are a lot more things to know about India. India is a huge country after all, but these books can provide you a basic idea about the country. That's why these books are, the stack isn't visible in the frame. Anyway, these books are all-time favorites of IAS aspirants because they need to know the system before being part of it, isn't it? So without much ado, we are gonna start. But before moving forward, if you are new to my channel, welcome to Book Island. I am Juhi. I make book related content here. Please subscribe to stay connected and hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, it knocks your phone. Now let's get started with today's topic. The first book I want to recommend is India's Ancient Past by R.S. Sharma. This book begins with a framework of writing history, then drops light on origin and growth of civilization, empires and religions. Geographical, ecological, even linguistic backgrounds have been covered here too. Neolithic, Chalcolithic and Vedic periods have been given special focus. R.S. Sharma is one of the best known scholars of India. The text is very engaging and the language is lucid. My next recommendation is Ramchandra Guha's India After Gandhi. This book gives an account of pain, struggle, humiliation and glory of world's largest democracy, India. I personally found this book very insightful. This gives an account of India since 1947. It talks about conflicting matters that rocked a huge country like India and the people and the institutions that held it together. A must read for all. My next recommendation is History of Modern India by Bipin Chandra. Don't go on its size. It's based on author's research on nationalism and colonialism in India, and Bipin Chandra also looked into some eminent historians of that period. Not only political narrative, this book provides an account of social, economical and religious history of India, provides a detailed description of Indian nationalist movement and the contribution of people who were behind that movement. Talking about books to know about India on Republic Day and not mentioning Indian polity by M. Lakshmikant wouldn't be fair, isn't it? This book is must read for those who are interested in the country's political, civil and constitutional issues. If you know nothing about Indian constitution, then read this book alone sufficient to provide you a clear idea. If you are interested to know about Indian economy, then I would highly suggest Ramesh Singh's Indian Economy. Now keeping this book here, then talking about it, socio-economical issues, government taxation, government budgeting, human development, different industries and sectors and many more crucial topics have been covered here. It's a very comprehensive text and I hope you find this book helpful. Now coming to my next recommendation. Next is Geography of India by Majid Hussain. If you are interested in geography of India, then I would highly suggest this book. And I find this book very easy actually, Topics like resources of India, different types of irrigations, cropping patterns of India, food security, public distribution and many other crucial topics have been covered here. Another useful book, India is rich in art and culture. Indian Art and Culture by Nitin Singhania is another wonderful book on this regards. If you are interested to know about Indian art, paintings, music, architecture, then this book is a must read, The author himself is an IAS officer, and this book is my personal favorite. So these are some books I feel can provide you some idea about India. These are written in very easy language, so recommended for beginner readers too. I feel After reading these books, you will have at least some idea about Indian history, polity, economy, and art and culture. After purchasing these books, when I was returning home, I have been asked by at least 3 people if I am preparing for the IAS exam, if I am a IAS aspirant. But why? Is it not everyone's responsibility to know about their own country? You don't have to be an IAS aspirant to read these books. Read these whenever you like to know about India. Have you read any of these books? Then let me know in the comment section. That's all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to stay connected. I shall be meeting you with another bookish video. Till then, bye-bye.